Hello friends, today we are going to make Lauki ki sabzi, that is Doodhi or bottle gourd curry. This is a very different and unique recipe, so do watch till the end. Peel the Doodhi, cut into shapes as shown and soak in water while we prepare the gravy. For the filling and the gravy, we take 2 chopped onions, 2 chopped tomatoes, 3 tablespoons musk melon seeds, 3 tablespoons Moong phalli or peanuts, 3 tablespoons desiccated coconut, 1 tablespoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon haldi or turmeric powder, 3 dried red chillis soaked for 2 hours, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 1 cup buttermilk or charge, oil, 1 teaspoon garam masala and salt. For the gravy, we heat oil in a kadai, add the garlic and just make it little brown. Add onions to it, mix it well and let that brown as well. Now we add the Magaz seeds or the muskmelon seeds and peanuts and mix well. Add a bit of salt, not too much. Add the soaked red chillies and again we saute it. Add haldi and a bit of coriander and combine it well. Here we add a little bit of red chilli powder and later on if we need we can add more. Put this mixture in a mixer jar, add the desiccated coconut and blend into a fine paste. Add water if needed. Remove this in a plate or a dish. Now we take the cut lauki and fill in the masalas in the groove as shown. Remove all the excess masala from the doodhi and we'll be using this a little later. Fill the remaining lauki with the masala and place in a plate. Steam it till it softens. While the lauki is being steamed, we heat oil in a kadai and add the masala paste to it and give it a good mix. To this we add 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, some salt and some dhania jeera powder and stir it again. Now we add the buttermilk to the curry paste. This is very optional and it's up to you to add or not. It gives a little mellow taste to the curry because we are not adding sour buttermilk. We add some coriander and tomatoes and let it cook for a bit. By now our lauki would have got steamed well and have softened. Remove it from the steamer and place each of them gently in the gravy. Fold it slowly in the gravy. Add some water if needed. Cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes till all the gravy is well incorporated in the lauki. As you can see, steaming hot, delicious lauki ki sabzi or Doodhi no Shaak is ready. It's really very delicious. It's soft in taste and wonderful to eat with rice or roti. I hope you've liked this recipe. Do try it at home. And if you've liked my video, do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.